everyone. So I'm here in Reading, and we just did the windows on Santiago's house. These are the last two that they didn't have from Green Eco, and now they're all Green Eco Solutions windows. They love them, and I want to thank them for their referrals and for letting us do their windows, and for being a prime property customer. We really appreciate all our customers, and there's a lot of houses in here with all windows, and we do offer special discounts for neighborhood. I want to put as many signs in the neighborhood as possible. So enjoy the rest of the day, and thank you for your business. And if you have any questions or any need for windows or doors or siding or roof, please call us 610-973-2500 and ask for Elias. Have a gorgeous, beautiful day.